Hello friends, today I'm gonna start another problem on indefinite integration. So let's get started. So here is our question. Let f be a polynomial function such that for all real x, f of x square plus 1 equal to x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 2. Now the question directly asks x what is the integration of fx dx. So I am not wasting the time with reading these options aloud. I am getting directly to the process. Okay, so here it is a function of x to the power 4 and here inside the function it is x square plus 1. We know here that our question demands the answer of integration of f of x dx. See here x, here it is x square plus 1. So we have to convert this x square plus 1 to a simple x. So I will assume that let z is equal to x square plus 1 and I will replace x square plus 1 by z. So what will come? It will f of z is equal to, now x square is equal to z minus 1. Follow me. X square is equal to z minus 1. So here I will write z minus 1 whole square plus 5 of what is x square is equal to z minus 1. So I will write z minus 1 plus 2. Okay, now I will simplify it. Okay, so it will give, simplifying this will give z square plus 3z minus 2 and this is equal to f of z. Now I will replace z by x. Okay, so what it comes, f of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 2 and I will integrate it by both sides. Okay, so it will give nothing but x cubed by 3 plus 3x square by 2 minus 2x plus c. Okay, now if you choose the option, so see, this will be our answer. So our first option is the answer. Okay, now we will move to the next problem. So moving to the next question, our next question asks that if the solution of dy by dx equal to dx plus 3 divided by 2y plus 5 represents a circle passing through point 1, 1, then radius of circle is equal to. Okay, so this is a problem of combination of indefinite integration and our coordinate geometry's favorite chapter, circle. So we will see the solution of this. According to this term, okay, so I will first multiply dy by 2a plus 5, or I will do simple cross multiplication. So doing cross multiplication, what we get is 2a plus 5 dy is equal to alpha x. Remember, this is alpha. Okay, alpha x plus 3 into dx. Now I will integrate both sides. Okay, so it is indefinite integration, so I will not have put any limits. Let's see what it will give. So this will give y square. Okay, simply not y square by 2 but simply y square, and this will give 5y and this will give alpha x square by 2 3x. I have assumed that the both constants of c add or subtract each other to finally give a constant which is c. Okay, now what I will do as writing, I will do what, letting the LHS term moving to the RHS. Okay, so let's see what it will give. So this will give alpha x square by 2 minus y square plus 3x minus 5y plus c equal to 0. If you have a little concept about circles, then you will learn that the coefficient of x square and y square will always be same. As here the coefficient of y square is minus 1, this will also be a minus 1. So here alpha will equal to minus 2. Now I will do a step jump, that is I will multiply throughout the equation by minus 1. Okay, and letting that minus c converted into another constant, that is c1. So I will write the final equation of circle. So our final equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 3x plus 5y plus c1 equal to 0. Now if you have learned that the radius of a circle is equal to root under g square plus f square minus c. Okay, now how will we get this constant c1? By putting the point given, which is but point 1, 1. So I will put this point in the equation to get the c1. So as you can see, I have put in here x equal to 1, y equal to 1 to get the c1 equal to -4. Now I will put, let's see, come on, get concentrate here. G is equal to minus of 3 by 2 and f is equal to 5 by 2 and c1 and c is equal to -4. So putting here we will get the radius. So let's see what is the value of the radius. So it will be giving root under 50 by 2. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found this video useful, please like, share, subscribe and also comment. So up to that, take care and have a good day.